Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Are you the type of person that don't like making aloe vera gel or juice whenever you want to make use of aloe juice or gel? Then don't worry. In today's video, I will be showing you all how to make aloe vera juice slash gel, and I will also be showing you how to keep it to stay for a longer period of time, so that whenever you want to do that mask, that facial mask, or you want to use it on your hair, you just go there and take one and you make use of it. This will save you a whole lot of stress. So guys, let's get started. Aloe vera has been used for centuries for its healing property. It's a plant that has thick leaf with a gel-like substance inside of them. It's found all over the world and many people even grow their own. Aloe vera gel is cooling and smoothie when applied to the skin, which is why it's sometimes used to treat burns and wounds. Get some aloe vera plants, wash them clean. After washing them, cut off the rickiest edges and soak in water for 30 to 40 minutes. Why are we soaking this aloe vera leaf inside the water for 30 to 40 minutes? We are soaking it because we want to get rid of the yellow latex inside the aloe vera plant to avoid irritation from the aloe vera. After 30 to 40 minutes, rinse your aloe vera gel. You can pat it dry, but me, I didn't pat my dry. I just went after rinsing it, I just went ahead to start extracting the juice. And how you going to extract it? You cut the aloe vera leaf open. Then you use your knife to cut it into pieces, just the way I'm doing in this video. After cutting it into pieces, then you start using the knife to scrape it so that all the gel will come out from it. So after doing that, I went ahead and add all the aloe vera gel inside my blender, because that is the fastest way to make this aloe vera gel. So after adding it in my blender, I will go ahead and add little water, just because I want it to be aloe vera juice. I want it to be light. I don't want it to be thick. But if you want to make the gel, you don't need to add water. Just blend it a little and you get this thick slime from it, so that can serve as gel. So but for me, because I wanted to make juice, so that I can use it as hair spray, I can use it as even shampoo. So I just went ahead to do it like this. And if I want to use it on my face, I can still use it on my face. Don't forget, this aloe vera plant is a bomb. You can use it to do so many things. As we are blending, let me talk more on the aloe vera benefits. Rubbing aloe vera into your scalp and hair and letting it penetrate your hair follicles could condition and improve damaged and dry hair. After letting it sit for an hour, rinse the gel off with a mild shampoo. But for me, whenever I'm using this aloe vera gel, if I'm not using it as a pre-poo, that's as a detangler, I don't wash it off. If I'm using it as a leave-in, I use it as a leave-in. After spraying it, I just leave it on my hair. So you can use this aloe vera gel for for people, you can use it as a leave-in, you can use it as a detangular. Anyhow you want to use it, just call DJ and it will answer you. If you have watched this video to this extent and you have you subscribe, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Give this video a thumbs up for engagement here on YouTube, and drop a comment in the comment section if you find this video helpful. And don't forget to share this video to whom you feel need it. So after blending the aloe vera gel, after blending the aloe vera gel, you go ahead and filter it. After you filter it, you see my own is very, very light. This is the consistency I want. Then you go ahead and turn the aloe vera, like the aloe vera juice, you go ahead and turn it in an ice block mold. After turning it in an ice block mold, you keep it inside your freezer and allow it to block. You can keep this, you can keep it in your freezer there up to 6 months or a year. It won't go bad because it's been frozen. All you have to do is just take 1 or 2 cubes, then you use it and do whatever you want to do. Here are some of the benefits for hair. It calms an itching scalp. It deep cleans oily hair. It means you can use it to clean your scalp without shampoo and your hair will be very, very clean. It strengthens and repair hair strands. Aloe vera contains vitamin A, C and E. All 3 of these vitamins contribute to cell turnover, promoting healthy cell growth and shiny hair. Vitamin B12 and folic acid are also contained in aloe vera gel. Both of these components can keep your hair from falling out. It may also promote hair growth because when your scalp has been cleaned and your hair has been conditioned with aloe vera, you might see that hair breakage and loss slows down. Aloe vera can smooth natural curls. It can lock in moisture. It can reduce frizziness and is also used to detangle hair. What are you supposed to use this aloe vera juice for? You can use it as a detangler. You can use it for pre-poo. You can use it as a hair mask. You can use it as a leave-in spray. You can equally use this aloe vera gel to treat dandruff because of its calming effect. Then you can also use it on your skin, maybe your face when you have sunburn, when you have all these irritations on your face. You can equally apply this gel on your face as a facial mask. Then after maybe 20 to 30 minutes, you wash it off. So that's it. Having said that, we have come to the end of this video. I hope this video was helpful and informative. If so, let me know in the comment section. See you all in the next one. Ciao!